Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Gilbert's lemon said market loans may be a little misplaced and their value in the winter. It's important to know that this warmth doesn't have the same sort of intensity as the record hot temperatures during July and August. The current period of warmth will be short-lived and will be mostly mitigated by a return of increased wind generation during the reflective period. As has been the dam for the near entirety of the summer, hedge funds paid into Wednesday's session of the Henry Hub to buy in aggressively even as dry natural gas production wobbled at record high of nearly 100 billion cubic feet BVC or D, pulling back all the 50% loss of the past fortnight. The hub saw an average of 3% being added in each of the past 5 sessions, and the climax was a 9% jump in Wednesday trading alone, matching the price action somewhat. Early cycle flow data for production arrived by 1 to slightly over 99 BC F or D amid weekday maintenance. Despite that, let me note that this bullish excuse is getting rather old, considering the fact that even with the pullback, predictions output is up by more than 6 BCF or D compared to last year. Here, at some point, the hedge funds that continue the Moscow NYMEX gas futures prices will buy the true underlying supply or demand fundamental will be forced to throw in the towel. With this in mind, we continue to look for a sizable correction to the downside and new mix for month gas futures back down to the $600 or double MBTU level within the next 2 to 3 months. Analysis of production data at hand showed that output could be knocking on the door of an all-time high of 101 BCF or D by next week, while natural gas truck investors may be positioned to start the withdrawal season with a modest deficit. The end of the refill season is likely to land at around 3 trillion cubic feet, with supply or demand imbalances notably looser. But some say this week's run-up in gas may be justified somewhat, given the prominence of liquefied natural gas in the game. How much more gas the United States can export to Europe? The argument is that U.S. LNG capacity for a day is only 13 BCF has been a matter of great debate amid this year's gas rally. Some analysts remain bullish on LNG's growth prospect, with those at Evercore AZ telling naturalgasintel.com on Wednesday that the market has been moving from strength to strength after Russian President Vladimir Putin dug his heels in by denying the West any of his country's energy source if it keeps piling new sanctions on Moscow over the Ukraine war. The Evercore team notes that call to gas switching and the power sector continues to mount as the U.S. steadily retires coal plants. Late summer heat is still on too, keeping up demand for a conditioning, which will be especially high this week in the Dakotas, where temperatures in the 90 Fahrenheit have been forecast. We must acknowledge the strong support for both higher LNG send-outs and, even more significantly, a hot summer. The Evercore analysis that Zhang Guilua, a senior analyst at Rystad Energy Consult, addict, months of geopolitical wrangling have left the European gas market whipple-shaped, with volatile prices stemming from lack of supply, potential market intervention, and wider uncertainty. In the view of most experts and policymakers, the European gas market is broken, but how it should be supported or fixed in an ongoing conversation with no clear resolution in sight. For now, low-sell LNG from the United States and elsewhere is at least a vital piece of the continent's energy survival. Total LNG import to Europe over the first 8 months of 2022 were 60% higher than during the same period last year. Russian supplies a year ago accounted for roughly one-third of Europe's gas. They now make up less than 10%. But what does U.S. gas truck show? This week's rally in U.S. gas came ahead of another pivotal storage data report expected from the Energy Information Administration today. U.S. utilities likely added a smaller than usual 73 natural gas to storage last week as power generators. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.